friends, welcome to our weekly broadcast. I'm Maddy.
I'm Marley.
And I'm Hannah.
Today is January 9th, 2026, the new year.
Woo!
We just came back from winter break and we're going to update you on all the things that happened over the winter break, which is just sports. So, for sports, starting off on Monday, December 22, 2025, we're back in time, the boys basketball team had a game against Kamehameha, which for JV, it was 39-66, so we lost for JV. For varsity, we had 78-64, so we won. Woo! Yay! And then next week on Monday, December 29, 2025, there was a girls and boys soccer game versus Carolina.
What were the scores, Maddy?
So for girls, it was 1-2, so we lost. And for boys, we had 1-2 again. So we lost. It's okay, right back.
We're right back.
Okay, and then on Saturday, January 3rd, 2026, so we're in the year now, there was a wrestling match at Outkast. I don't know what happened. And then there was a boys and girls soccer game versus KL. And the boys had a 0-2, so we lost. And girls, we had 5-0, so we won. Woo! Yay!
Now, going back to the future, we have some upcoming sports events. On Friday, January 9th, 2026. Today. So back to the present, I guess. There will be JV and varsity boys basketball game against KU.
Woo! Yay! Woo!
Tomorrow, Saturday, January 10th, 2026, there'll be wrestling at KU at 10 a.m., swimming at Kona Community Aquatics, and girls and boys soccer at Outkast, girls for 11 a.m. and boys for 1 p.m. On Monday, January 12th, 2026, there will be girls and boys soccer against Kamehameha, and girls will be at 2 p.m. and boys will be at 4 p.m. We'll also be having senior night on Monday with 10 seniors in total, 2 girls and 8 boys. So go Dragons!
Yay! Let's go Dragons! Alright, now we're into the future, Marley. Okay, so on January 13th, 2026, there will be a girls basketball game against Parker at 5:30 p.m. The next day, on January 14th, there will be a boys basketball game at Holland at the same time, 5:30 p.m. Also, the next day after that, on the January 15th, 2026, there will be a girls and boys soccer game at Kealakekee at 4-6. And then there will be another boys basketball game at Parker at 5:30 p.m. Then on the 16th, which is an odd day, which we also have a grade check. Look out for that, Dragons. We also have a girls basketball game at Kealakekee at 5:30 p.m. They're all at 5:30. Yep. Okay, now this is the fun part.
Okay.
Now also on Friday the 16th, there's gonna be many events.
There's two clubs that's going to go somewhere. They're going to have their competitions. So DECA is having the regionals at Hilo College all day. And yeah, so DECA, what is DECA? I would ask you. Oh my god, you're the alumni. Okay. What's DECA?
DECA stands for Distribution Education Clubs of America. That basically means nothing because it's just a business club. So,
Okay, well, it makes sense.
So we'll be having a couple competitions for new DECA members. We'll be having Principles of Management competition, which is basically just a role play. You're given 10 minutes to prepare and 5 minutes to present to your judges. And for second year DECA members, we'll be having marketing events and entrepreneurship events. I personally am doing the Innovation Plan event, which does not have a category in regionals, but does have a category in states. The Innovation Plan is a project where you create your own business and present it to a panel of judges for 15 minutes. Maddy, what are you doing at regionals?
I'm not going to regionals, but I did go 2 years. No, wait, no, I mean, but I was going to. But I have, yeah.
What are you doing next time?
Oh, we're going to shoot after school. We're going to this club.
Digital Production Club. Alright. So basically,
Oh yeah, what is
What do you guys think? What do you think we're doing at shoots?
We're making a video. So we're supposed to be making a video together. We're the video ad.
Live action
Commercial, live
commercial.
action.
Yeah, we're gonna make a commercial. They're gonna give us a prompt and we're gonna make a commercial in the time.
Yes. Okay, yeah, that's basically what Shoe Summit is. It's basically a competition where all videographers or photographers, basically just all of media, they can all come together, compete, and make a name for yourself. Exactly. Yeah.
Hannah, what advice do you have for newcomers?
Okay. Okay. Since we're in the same group, what Kylie and I had struggled with is that we weren't really organized. We didn't have like a solid plan yet. We just knew like the basic gist because our topic was like spreading a little. So we knew like what the message was, but then how are we gonna capture that into a video? We looked online for some examples, but then we didn't know like what angles to use or like yeah, we didn't even have a storyline, which is like the main part. Cause like you want to have like a storyline within the videos, or like you want to share your message. So that's the one advice: to stay organized.
Also, I think there's another thing that we didn't put down. There's gonna drama is also going to Hawaii.
Ooh, yes.
They're going to a lesbian festival. It's like I heard that it's supposed to be like they're gonna want to drama like act and stuff.
It's basically just like acting class, like it's
Yeah.
all over the state too. But
Yeah,
it's like
acting
we're gonna
class.
meet like professionals. Like there's gonna be like a drama, like a makeup artist there.
Yeah.
There's gonna be someone teaching you how to go on like film on TV. Like you could be like someone on Percy Jackson or something. You could also learn like puppetry or how to be in a circus. Like that was the
That they provided?
Yes,
Wow.
that was the breakout rooms. Or like you could do like a K-pop dancer.
Very
Drama?
diverse.
Yes.
So that's about everything that we have to report for this week and next week. But since we're gonna be out next week, actually no, we'll still have a video. So keep watching. So that's the end. Happy first week back, and I hope you guys do good this semester.
Here's to 5 more months.
Your last semester, guys.